Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on regular basis. This dictation is for the aspirants who are preparing for Jharkhand High Court. Get ready for the dictation. It is a well settled proposition of law that in deciding whether contempt is serious enough to merit imprisonment, the court will take into account the likelihood of interference with the administration of justice and the culpability of the offender. Stop. The intention with which the act complained of is done is a material factor in determining what punishment in a given case would be appropriate. Stop. In the case at hand, the High Court has rightly held that the appellant was guilty of criminal contempt. Stop para. This court, while examining its powers under Article 129 with Article 142 of the Constitution with regard to awarding sentence of imprisonment together with suspension of his practice as an advocate in Supreme Court Bar Association's case, the Constitution bench held that while in exercise of contempt jurisdiction, this court cannot take over jurisdiction of disciplinary committee of the Bar Council, and it is for the Bar Council to punish the advocate by debarring him from practice or suspending his license as may be warranted on the basis of his having been found guilty of contempt. If the Bar Council fails to take action, this court could invoke its appellate power under Section 38 of the Advocates Act. Stop. In a given case, this court or the High Court can prevent the contemner advocate from appearing before it or other courts till he purges himself of the contempt, which is different from suspending or revoking the license or debarring him to practice. Stop para. An advocate who is found guilty of contempt of court may also, as already noticed by oblique, be guilty of professional misconduct in a given case, but it is for the Bar Council of the state or Bar Council of India to punish that advocate by either debarring him from practice or suspending his license as may be warranted in the facts and circumstances of each case. Stop. The learned Solicitor General informed us that there have been cases where the Bar Council of India, taking note of the objectionable conduct of an advocate, had initiated disciplinary proceedings against him and even punished him for professional misconduct on the basis of his having been found guilty of committing contempt of court. Stop. We do not entertain any doubt that the Bar Council of the state or Bar Council of India, as the case may be, when apprised of the established objectionable conduct of an advocate by the High Court or by this court. Stop.